Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is LT Dementia here, coming at you with another video going over the actions. Let me put my phone on vibrate while introducing everyone to the video. Going over the results for this past week with the DAX Copy-Trader, and so we had another good week right here, and I'm very happy with the results so far and how this gentleman has been trading so far. But before I get to this video, I'd like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not advise when to invest or spend their money. All I do is show opportunities that I believe that will be beneficial to anyone around the world. So with that said, let's get into this video. As you can see here, you can see all my accounts that I have opened up. This right here is my account that I'm copying from the DAX Trader. As you can see, this is my affiliate account, and this right here is my demo account, which I'm learning how to trade, which I'll go over that as well in this video, since this is all part of RoboForex. And then this is my mother-in-law's account, so I got her money over here as well, copying the same trader that I am. And then this is a new account that I started, copying a different trader, and I started with a little bit less because this account, this copy trader just started back in January. So I'm not gonna go over that right now. I'm gonna wait it out and see how it goes going forward before I end up introducing this to my channel or not. So also, before I forget, before I get any further, RoboForex is not available or restricted to because it's a regulated broker. So these countries cannot participate in RoboForex. That'll be Canada, United States, Australia, Indonesia, Tahiti, Brazil, and some other countries. I have the list of the restricted countries down in the description of this video. Like I do with every RoboForex video, I have the list of restricted countries and a list in the description of the video. So if you want one of those countries, unfortunately you won't be able to participate with this. But that's the reason why I introduced another opportunity, which I will do another video shortly after this one to go over the results for that one. But anyways, going forward, I want to go over some the results first. So let's go ahead and get to that. So this is what David has sent out, who is the actual trader. He says, "Good morning, everyone. We finished the day with a profit of 0.32%. We finished the week with a profit of 7.37%. Max drawdown was 6.19% back on Monday. Today in the evening, I'm flying to Bali. I have to get some things done before that. That's why I decided to stop for this week. We managed again to close the week way above our target of 5%. It's crazy how strong the performance is. The momentum of new investors is amazing. Short info on my vacation. If I would trade, but not that actively how you are used to. Maybe some days I will not trade at all. It depends on my daily plans in Bali. If I have the time, I will trade. If I am busy, I will not trade. I wish you a nice weekend. You're David." So there's his update from what he did this week and his plans for next week for vacation in Bali. He deserves it. He's been doing very well. And so now that you've seen that, I want to go over to his the copy of FX account. Let me refresh the screen. So that's the current amount that before I refreshed it of investors. So we got over 14,678 people that's copying this account right now. He's by far the biggest account in RoboForex. He's the #1 trader in RoboForex as well by far. He's not even close. Okay. So where am I getting that information from? Right here. So you can see right here, this is the closest. Well, actually, there's actually got somebody else that's trying to do some things as well. This King's Cross. They're doing gold trading. Had to look into that. But yeah, you can see here what these accounts are doing here. And so yeah, it's doing pretty good. Hold on, what's this right here? I never heard this one. I think this was new as well. They only got 531 followers right now. So yeah, you come over here and go to what's the investments and the MT4 traders rating, and you'll be able to see all of the accounts that's available for us to copy. Follow the trades of their trades. Okay, and also, we've been having issue. Me and my upline been having an issue with the referrals and everything not showing up correctly, and we having to get them to get in contact with support and then get them correctly linked underneath our accounts. Because see, it's important that I get my referrals underneath me, because RoboForex offer a unique opportunity to do rebates, which means that I got the opportunity to set a percentage of my referral commissions and kick it right back to your account to help your account grow as well. So what I'm doing for my sub partners and my direct affiliates, so my sub partners is like the affiliate level goes affiliate plan goes 5 levels deep. So my direct level get 50%, and then all the sub partners, you know, from levels 2 through 5 will get 50% kickback right back into their account as well. All right. So that's what's going on right now. It's not showing up with all of the referral commissions or the trading account balances right now, because it takes like a week for that to show up, and that's how it works with RoboForex, unfortunately. But you know, when you come down and you see that, like, oh, I don't have my referrals down underneath me, you got to get in contact with them, and you have them get in contact with support. Give them, you know, tell them like, hey, I would like to be linked correctly underneath my direct referral, my upline. This is my account number. I want to be linked to the affiliate code, and it's going to be like a 4-letter affiliate code that is unique to your account only. And so you'll send the information in to support, and then they'll go ahead and eventually add you into you know, underneath that affiliate code, and then you're good to go. So like for the longest time, I was only seeing 3 accounts underneath me, and then I added my wife as well, so I gave her money to start trading, and then I still had the issue with 3 accounts not showing up. So they, you know, now that they was able to get in contact with support and got added, and now their accounts are showing up. It's just that the trading balance has not been shown up yet, but it's already calculating the number of closed orders and all this other type of stuff so far. And then I just had somebody else join this morning as well. So now all those accounts are showing up correctly. All right. Also, another thing, when it comes to withdrawals, you know, the broker has a withdrawal fee, but on the first and on Tuesday and the third Tuesday of every month, there are no fees to withdraw. All right. So this right here is every single month, the first Tuesday and third Tuesday of every month, there is no withdrawal fee from RoboForex. And so you can also calculate, like if you deposit with crypto, there's a way for you to go ahead and calculate as well. So if I go to, what was that at? Was it funds? Yeah, there we go. So I go to funds and then enter exchange rates. So if you're depositing in crypto, you want to see how much it's going to be for the deposit fee, then you'll be able to, let's see, account depositing, and we're going to go ahead, let's say $500 for example, and you want to deposit in USDT. Let me find that. So right there, USDT, and then so the account that you want to deposit to is to select one of these trading accounts, and then we're going to calculate. So it will show you that if you deposit $500 USDT, you will end up with $495.04. All right. Same thing applies if you want to put in $10,000, for example. You can calculate that. It shows you what your deposit amount would be after the broker fee, deposit fee. Okay. So I want to go over that information as well. And so now let's go back over here to the pretty much the results here. So you can see that the maximum drawdown that this account has ever had was 53.31%. That was back in May, I think May 10th of last year. As you can see right here, let's see if I can get this perfect. So that was on May 12th of last year, 53.32%, and then the very next day he recovered. So yeah, that's the good thing about it. You know, even when the drawdown got here to what was this, 34.07%, pretty much, or 35%, the very next day he recovered. You know, so this is the good thing about this trader. He's been very good about not, you know, getting into too much trouble to where he couldn't recover, and you got to appreciate that. So you go right to the trading history, you can see all the trades that he's done. So he's had this account open for 484 days, so almost 16 months. That's a lot. That's a lot of days of trading right here. So long trading history on a regulated broker. That's what I like about it. You can see where his account balance is at. And he also has a rebate activate on his 50% as well. So I think that's only for his direct referrals. So I don't know if he got it for his sub partners or not, but for sure his direct referrals, he's getting he's doing 50% rebate right back into everyone's accounts as well. So you gotta appreciate that. You know, of course, his profit split is 30% every week. So whatever we make for the week, 30% is sent to him. But then 50% is kicked right back to the direct referrals of his as well. Okay, minimum deposit is $100. All right, and that's very feasible for pretty much everyone around the globe. That's what I like about this account as well. It's only $100 minimum to get started. All right, but yeah, you come down here, you can see the whole trading history, and you got 234 pages of trades here, and he's trading the DE the DE40 cash, which is the DAX market in Germany for the top 40 companies in Germany. So that's what he's mainly trading. Sometimes he would trade US 30, I think it was. They go over here to the graph. So yeah, sometimes he'll trade US 30, and sometimes he trade Euro USD and Great British Pound to USD, but it's very, very slim chances that he'll trade those. He's mainly trading the DE40 cash. Okay, and but now I want to go over how my because like I said before, I want to learn how to trade, and since I'm on RoboForex, I want to go over that real quick so you can see how I'm doing so far. Now, I had my first experience with the red folder event in the morning time during my trading session that I normally like to trade, which is like 5 to 8 a.m. Eastern, and so I waited, but I didn't wait long enough. I waited almost an hour before I got into a trade, and it greatly affected me. And you know, so at the time I'm still learning, so I didn't have a stop loss in, I didn't have a take profit set, nothing like that. But anyways, let's get over here to my this is my FX book showing you my demo account. So right now, yeah, today has not been updated. I actually had a pretty good gain again today. So yesterday I had a 3.77% gain on my demo account, and then today it was, what was it, I think it was 3.37% today. Could be wrong about the exact number, but anyways, in the last 2 days I was able to recover over 7%, like 7.23% of the loss that I had accrued from my first day experiencing a red folder event day. All right, so you come down here, you can see that, like I said, it hadn't been updated yet. Let me see if I refreshing it, see maybe an update then. Oh, nope, still don't update. And so right now this week I'm down still. At the moment it hadn't been updated yet. This should right here go up to like over 3% loss right now. And for the month that should go to like negative 6 point something percent as well. But you can see that this is what my winning rate has been to my losing rate, 80% to 20%. Like I said, it has not been updated, so this should go up. And the reason being because the way that I traded this morning, my results was pretty good. And so you go to my trading history, so you can see right here I'm learning how to put in my take profit, and my stop loss is not showing there, but I'll show you inside of the RoboForex MT4 terminal here how I've been doing. So yeah, when I took the loss that 2 mornings ago, I ended up getting back in to start learning how to look for the right strategy that I need, that's perfect for me. I took some more losses before finding the right strategy, and then, you know, the very next morning I was able to hit that big day of 3.77%, and then again today well over 3% as well. All right, so come over here to the terminal, and you're able to see that I was able to get in well before the market started going down. So I can show you that in the trading view here pretty soon, what I did exactly. But anyways, you can see that I got a take profit here set for the 3 long trades that I had, because I saw that the market was in an uptrend. And you know, so right now it look like it's going in a downtrend. Could reverse and go down and continue to be uptrend, don't know yet. But anyways, I saw opportunity. I saw the market was in a uptrend for some hours straight. So I was like, okay, now I'm looking for an entry point to take a long trade. I want to set those 3 long trades, which I did, with a stop loss and a take profit. You can see where my entry price was at. So I had like a 2-point win and a 2-point loss in either way, for a stop loss and a take profit, so keeping my risk low. All right, and you know, so those trades were able to hit my take profit, and you can see what it was. This is, like I said, this is my demo account. So you know, I'm practicing on demo account for a whole month. So starting on like the 3rd of April is when I start trading with the live account. You know, by that time I should be comfortable enough to feel good about trading with my own money at that moment. And so, and then in between those long trades that I was doing micro trades and like sell positions to get in and out of the market as quickly as possible. This one right here, I should have waited a little bit longer and it would have been a win as well, but I was like, I'd rather take like a 0.4% loss, whatever the case may be, rather than taking a 1% loss, you know, in this case. And then I was able to get back into 2 more trades to mitigate this loss a little bit more. And then those 3 trades right here was able to close out and profit, and you know, I got a $323 gain for the day on my demo account. So now let's go back here. Let's go to the trading view, and you can see here, this is where I marked So I was like, okay, I was in, let me see, what area where I was at exactly. I think I was like right around in this area right here when I first got into my buy positions. Yeah, right here is when I got to my buy positions. And then, you know, it had some fluctuations and everything like that. So I just held on because I was like, this is my target zone. This is where I think the price is going to go up to. And it did. And so this right here was my my resistance zone, and this right here is my support zone. So the price almost got down to the support zone right here recently, and but you know, I was able to get in early enough and take advantage of getting into some 3 buys, you know, 3 long buys, and then take advantage of getting into some sales, you know, in between as well. And so I'm manually trading, not using the algorithm or trading about nothing like that. This is all manual. But I just want to go over this information real quick, as well as this is all part of RoboForex. And so I hope that you like what you heard and saw. If so, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining RoboForex and start copying the trades of DAX Trader, I have my links down in the description of this video, as well as in the comment section. If you heard about this opportunity for someone else, please get back with that person, use their referral links, create your account, start generating passive income, and show us how to do the same thing. I also have my link down in the comment section if you want to join my group that I created for learning how to trade, as well as we're sharing information on, you know, constantly inside that group to help everyone figure out, you know, how it is that they want to trade. You know, you can take the information, implement it into your own strategy and everything like that, and then just practice on the demo account to get used to it. Share your results in the group. Show what people what you did wrong, what you did right. You know, so that way we can all grow together. So that's what it's all about. And so that's all to say for right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time, next video. Take care, everyone.